far?
Who's my boss in the
10 minutes.
Try again, try hard.
Hold on.
But keep back now.
Hold on.
Who's up? Who's up? I hope so.
That's a quando.
That's Tio. I didn't even hear concept. That don't turn up on no. If your life, no.
When I said just today, I can't concentrate.
No, get the JJ or BB. My name finding it. Yeah. I did our boss on Casa.
I'm
Still. Now, mommy, error. I say, really pay me.
I'm battling them. They are Facebook. I do almost.
Mommy cannot see.
Error also does.
But that code no fat. Don't be called my boy for
single code and virus.
Single code and virus. And you never virus. I said,
that's right.
Say me, you guide. Or you're very good at computer. Very, very good. But you break into code with me.
This can tell what you mean. I do more can take go in. Would the other over seconds? I know that.
No. Or your dread. We can break it for an account. Sure. If it's a wood, down about you cry. I didn't that's not breaking.
Sorry.
Oh,
you wasted time.
Let's come to a deal. Fine. What's my idea? Yeah, call deal. Sadia, I'll just do it.
Present said what you have to do it.
How much do you need? Fine. 60-40.
Yeah. 60 cents. I should be how I do. No,
are you here to insult me or what?
We're here to insult you, sir. Now, who before 1, 2, 3. I can't put my
okay, fine. The man is a this is your machine. I get better things.
So you mean it?
Oh, come on.
Now me make no sense. So you mean it? Oh,
No, you made me for 60 number for 40.
Coconuts at the table. No way. 60-40. On your day.
Fine, for the sake of our friendship, right? And then 50-50.
Still no way.
Yeah. Oh, you're nowhere. Listen, nowhere. No, make No, what disappointing me, pa?
When you disappoint me, just about more energy.
The whole thing is, you see, yes, half a loaf is better than that. Okay. Make an answer.
Go back to software, you know that.
They make an answer.
Are we?
Don't talk to me. Business,
and your life. I go to intelligent to real school. I'm classes. I'm last year we saw my son. Boss, we are not far from so I had to be in the shadow with my man.
What's the way you're saying?
www.bimpkefadakifi.com. We have no accounts with bimpkefadakifi.com. Tanzania. I just want to mark on. Send me a
check it out.
Bibi can do it.
That's my job. Call me, right?
Call me. You're very intelligent.
Alright, easy. It's not your time, right? Once a state you are, it's only to me withdraw in the next 4 days.
4 days?
Yeah, but listen to me. 4 days, you know, more to me withdraw. All I need is my 50.
No problem.
No problem, because some man here problem crap me. I know how to deal with you. Problem crap me. I can deal with people like you. Okay. Simple. Give me the next 4 days. All right. Now you can drink. Come on.
Yeah, stop.
Except Wiley. This ain't a skinny Mac 10, it's a fat Mac 90. I don't wanna catch nobody except Wiley.
Don't think you're so on. Yeah. Who was just a warrior? You are. Oh, Miss Watchers, and you are so. That will basically be a Francisca Kitchen. No, you know. Still, Capitol. I see. But we know there are so that's how actually. What damn.
Kapadoma. The say that you are doing me do idea. The best thing I say a children move fast.
Charlie.
You go Jane Kakra and America Sama Menka. You go Jane chill out.
Would you need on the whole team? Ah, the problem for the sea about Bedufia, Massa. Didn't say, Jadana. I say, you say indoors.
To Yasamana Cano. Indoors, eh? Your journey as indoors. Must I mean my spy be or take travel? What do you leave? Them to me in the cool you cried. I'm
right. Yeah. Usaja. Dear Koya. That very coy. I don't get driver be a oh, for the year. The couple of Betty. I don't put 2 cordial of fire. Ah, your brother, you bet to be a do for your man. You must take a car. I'm this same doors up this a week or 2. Come on, they cannot say. All right, put you as a young yeah. Another papa, they cannot say, Wapo, and you don't seek in Tina, a bishop indoors, or say Chile. What they make you scatter bar once or Mescano and a casa. By saying doors, I will get my Jenica, or you first buy now for my fat drop in a jack with my pie. I Jimmy have you right now, my cruiser, I read on Pandemia.
Me, my dream is a guy, young because the best way to defend is to attack. Yeah, that is it. It's to attack. It's true. It's to attack. But let me tell you something. Oh, person, oh, you wouldn't know who's your way. It says you couldn't first. Oh, no, only situation or situation. How would you know? How would you know? Masa, you just argue the feet. Rebecca Roger said, huh? Masa,
I think, say, it's you can end quick.
That is it. That is it. I'm back when you answer him.
Because it's going to be I say enough. You bet me just to any business. Send you be judge man I
look what they may die.
Oh, me pass with me judgment with father bed dear mammy. Come and send them pay me a day. But we all can say answer. Nipanya go out. Yene father you mean what me catch you in Yansa. Oh yare. Oh yare pa kwasia. Oh yare anu Yansa no. You bet match your product we are low.
What's he? Oh you're right. What's at you?
Brother. Yes.
Ah.
That's right. No. The best thing I was say this kind of fast. There will be a who do in the bay. Come on to kill many show.
You ever check what in your
ah? Stand don't my fast am because my maybe beer you my timing be beer my timing table be beer down. There be where say me tias here. You can go to
Boom now on so. Cha ni nko. I feel so abon ana. Ni nko bet. When me nko bet. O dem me nu, when me nko bet. Because your first name is sure so yeah. So it's no.
Just what say twa
na wo da na wo ma me cha wo ma me cha na ma. Ni ko bia na. Ko bia bra tu si me ba. Ya mo wo wan si bi. Bra wo me no nko bet o.
You crack ni froko. Bet.
Into do one si.
Hey, boys. 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 Enti mo de mo ti dia ba.
Ichanko tayo tata o haya dodo.
Yanti krom ha say. Na lewe. Edi market ni gba say. Competition bi ewo US abrichimo ma. Ye papa ya. Ye jiji yanko house to house. Who went trebi? Or therefore mpuntujuma kwa therefore be kwa no therefore the nisika shi.
I'm not going to scan about.
Say one take that. One take that or the scanner ko trankrai mu am se kumasi mu am se hihi. Ene sika le se ai bia baso ye se fa na azonto.
Eno so abo abedi.
Ye se azonto bia ba eno na ye se odi ko sponsor to okoye ne dan.
Mike ayi
sika no edi sponsor. Enti mo da mo tin. Fela no kra no ni do yitum. Atania. Atania bi kolewe ho na nkomodidie mu na atie pie mu ho. Si atie pie mu ho na no yi fela ni tum. Se de esini. Lewe ne nim twa oyi. Se atia. Anu no di confuse no.
And the confused all the number called Chilibi. I didn't call you. And to say, yeah, was it? Working left, working right, working left, working right, working at Tianino, working at Tianino. Send the confusion of the Yatian. Yes, and as a crow or Matina or American win. And the amount for what you are killing him. I did the amount for scan what I got tonight. Amount for few moment. Double see.
No. Nkwasiasem. 50-50 pa de nkwasiasem. Ah. Nkwasiasem mo so kwa dem kura mu yemo.
Guys. I didn't feel my transfer doing who say akwa nkwasi business money here. I will be a code my as 50-50. 50-50 say. Huh? 50-50 say $1 million. Then say 50-50 no go be for 750. We're breaking it down. All the first 750 for 750 ni for 750. Now we pa ko for 750. Pass em better.
I'm still me can say half a loaf is better than none. And I'm moving
I do also a funny solution the better. Do your mind, but a guy chair. The best thing that I have to do is say a funny solution. Every person will be yourself. Or me catch them. You in your scan, I bring a back. Well, now say every man half.
Yeah. When you are dreaming. Did you say I was elimination game?
That is it. That is
it. I think you should one time. They make an answer.
I'm with you, man.
That is it.
I'm with you.
And to in this case, you know, till that for no. That for only one house so now no book you are taffy on crab, but we should the idea pan I beat him that can be for beating the first one. The beating I and I die beating you in a floor. As it's casting the canoe. You should move the book and actually. The big amount of huh?
That's it.
That's it.
Guy, no open map or you womanizer.
Yeah, I've seen it. Oh, we name me. say, only me. But say, yes, see. Say, I just see your computer with our no. If I send me the computer, I say, oh, me ding. Your family Cindy Adepa, or Barney Hoffy. Say, if ye, oh, that means you were. Okay. Don't worry. I'll be there. Oh, thank you very much. You're such a nice person. What? Thank you. Alright, see you. Bye.
You're so beautiful.
Daniel, people think I'm, more for planning to me teachy and all that, but you will be waha, yeah, my mom and papa now I see I'm Daniel. Yeah.
Oh, you're very beautiful.
Thank you.
I don't know. Who about is so nice like you? Serious, my whole life.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Seriously, who about is nice to see. So, hey, property now.
Oh, you're not getting a rapper.
I want to come see you.
Yeah. It's a potassium estate.
Only the entire time I can say, it's like one more shadow to make one voice out. Seriously.
Kobe, no. Also, you're a nice guy. Yeah, you are.
So no. Are you trying to tell me you admire me too?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Because me who, maybe no me out Charlie. So very nice guy. Really like you.
Yes, enough. See me correct. Seriously. Feeling me. Jeez. Yeah, no, me I score away with that. Seriously. Although I score, seriously. Come on, Mama, don't surprise me. Excuse me.
Come on, sorry.
Excuse me, come on.
Sorry.
Come on, 1 second.
Okay.
Sorry. Cindy, we share a deal with himself. Angel. Come on, Angel and fight.
Tell me more.
I think I'll reserve the rest. Okay. I hope so you'll be going home with me.
Yeah.
At least I'll go with
you.
Because to come over, I can't say bra. Okay, so right? And then I'll be with you.
Don't worry, I said I'll go with you.
Do you know so?
Yeah.
So beautiful.
I have to attend to okay. Are you okay?
Kobe.
Yeah. We finally need a new mixed race. Of course. Everything. That means we're German also.
down my whole life in this streets, and then. Cindy! Cindy! What sort of mysterious girl is this? No. Oh, laptop. Oh, the graphic. Come on, and on laptop and say no. I don't understand this. And I'm also in a hurry. Hey, I grow so I only grow you. Go say the message you that. General, sing you want pick it dropping go. Well, you always have to.
Hello. Say, but you know, oh, me, I'm back to Ethiopia. Fraud, I'm robbers. Some got some fraud. But you need to say, Sister, and I are teenagers. But you're timid in a Casama, was so a man around for Naba, Miss Winnie. I don't want to say, me who am the flower, how about you into your baba? I'm a man. Now, the attention competition be a basua, competition. Yes, you can zoom to dance. In the baby brew, Mrs. Musama K. Jackson, to person quater me best. And also, sister, I'm to a club. And I need a club. It's in your baby. No about the sack a cry, no about the red dear. It was that woman, makes you a zoom to it. Catchiniva. So I had to come, hey, what the baby take. Namunchino. So mix it as zoom to dance. Catch you, that's it. Why? Rather, somebody in saying idea, more charging me, moon scabia. Me and a mapping to your mamma. Why? Damas. Mr. Why? Chino, Uchino, Omo come in Zabaka. You, Baba, Medibama, Ba.
Maya, no way. Oh, yes. Oh, what did I say? Obi my dad. Mr. One, Mamma, then, but who? Louis, shit, you're not in general. You went to bed. What for person? See, I'm not that fitting, and I want you never feel. We name them.
na me dem bra me ni asuje
no mo ta so ana
ni ahoto ade etim da so mintim otime se taxi what me no boko no e jiske se nkonfo mo US ana enya maso ti boys se me no me tie mu jiske me taxi de de peni wonya mo ko me enti ma mo tata nyu mu fi mo sano dem de gigi
mo ta so
me pinya me ti fa balance no ngwe taxi say taxi taxi no yes puta so me so ba cho ese ke mo jere ni ye akoy ko kisi to so me ne ma ka me dem ono to ku so lewe ti be ya se bi wo ku me no we mfre ko me ko fa ma gre bem ku be dem ono me pe ni tri wo se be ti ko o bo lu si won ma ka mi bu tu da ana be sin ti fa bre mi ati e taxi hey taxi on so go su bo mi ẹ̀yin wa ti su bo mi hey taxi le ma mi chiwo dem na ko ba chobu me ko ni sei ma ko ni sei chobu taxi mi o taxi
me ko ni sei ma ko ni sei ana mo ta auto
wo le fa mo ko wa ti mi sei ni wa me fa yin chobu Paulo wa o se oh baby bra ayo
mina mi mo baby ada na nyom yon kono
bra
Oto no
ya mpasi mo kura ba wa fa afa ben to na ka wa so
na besa
Debi, ya me ya.
Na besa. Obesa.
Bye.
Obesa.
Me so.
Ado ye maka wana.
Itankuta. Maybe Itankuta. Let's do it. Goose. Si fom na me kasem jo. Afina adina bideka. Afina adina bideka. Lewe ya chense de kura fidie yiro
wa na chen
o latame ho
o fi ho
me se lewe latame ho no asempa na me ka che no
ncha
me se me na
ba na o kan
wini se wini de o se ye hwe ye fefre
nintem so na wo die ni mama ni pe wa jisa se we mama a dia ba potena
se fe de wa se wo ho no le boss apon wo ho no ye di kan boss apon
wo die twa me
se wo lata ho
mi se mu de me fa se me fa na no se me fa ko no mi hu mi se me ne me nchen akosia ne da na cho ne ma akoso bua shakai odada never see. No. Isankuta mu wefiru. Ese minyedeni. Na. Oba bina, akini pana. Na sabu. Mponja na se ni pana. Ani hai mu. Bikudin kwa sasa.
Eti anadwi a ye ne yere no eni yam bra fo ata ye tu ye ho etutu ye na se milika duru ye nya Lorraine come last munya boto obi an kada come on look at the kamikoso Inja nguta Lewin, oh what? What's inside? The son of coaching for the Papa the play. Who's soon know my brother? Wow, Papa the black on India with anything this way. Wow. Ya dama eno ne hawa wodi e fa sa kwan we so ni bag ni ne bentu ani e de oh susu bi ma bra boy ni bag ni ne bentu ani e de nyina mi no ka se me kofa mre ana owe kofa ne bla mo nyere no ni nyere no oh ka se kene wo mami ni sa no ya so fia Uberium Wow. Hello. Are you Madam Jensen Akko something? Yes. Good. You are under arrest. For what? I am Inspector O.J. Johnson and this is Corporal Douglas. You asking me for what? Yeah. For fraud and some criminal activities. Mm-hmm. You have the right to remain silent or anything you do or say we use against you at the court of law. Officer, take care of him. No, sir, I didn't do it. No, I want you to say out to the station, eh? I'll be there,
It's English, Ben Obrigado is Portuguese. Hindustan, India. You're most welcome to Super Azonto Competition 2012, sponsored by Paul G Productions. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, sir. Azonto, left, right, center circle, Azonto, Aden, Azonto, Azonto, if you are Bibia, I have said the papa, but if you tell me by, in fact, obviously, Azonto, the Bible. Now, you can say Azonto, a team called International. Somebody has here, some of the people say, I'm back at the Papa Fihi, if we Ghana. Mama, now, the only kind of the woman a fear and a car, if you can super any car. The better see me a new, you know, 50 million. The better see me a son, 20 million. Any other souvenirs? Azonto, I did it, a person international. Now, all my government made in every pay, we had table, judge number 1, Bernard Adusekoku, aka Bonsu, and then judge number 2, AK-47, anytime. Judge number 3 is a renowned actor, musician, and dancer. Ladies and gentlemen, Slim Bastard, aka Baghdad. Now, what do you mean? Ansana Yabakosono, Yama Obi Abeshasye, and only a sad attraction. Ladies and gentlemen, Momo Musankesia, Aisha Gabu.
Anytime would they come to the jiggy jiggy, they do me locally. Anytime why you screaming, why you screaming,
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the name is Yao Audidombre, aka YAD, Paul G's Super Azonto Competition 2012. Is everybody happy? Make some noise. Now, the next on the bill is contestant number 1. Anytime would they come to the jiggy jiggy, they do me locally. Anytime why you screaming,
That you wanna make me sad. I just wanna make you feel fine. Look like you wanna make me sad. I just wanna make you feel fine. Again, 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 again. Let's pour moi, as on écoute pour mettre things in mon budget, joli bébé again. Elle est ma mele pour moi, as on écoute pour mettre things in mon fier, joli bébé again. I want to get your moves where you make the choose. The TV piano, hey, don't blow the fuse. I want to give you moves where you know go choose. Me baby, you're a mouth, don't blow the fuse.
She always they do me lokolegi. Anytime when they come do the jiggy jiggy, she they do me lokolegi. Anytime why you screaming, ah yeah, why you screaming, ah
My baby know they want my focal. She said she they love my waist oh. She said for the push I'm hard oh. Cause see the sweet I'm more than Milo. Philly yema kwa yema UV. Yema G yema long yema wene. Kini ta yo va yema chwene. Jiggy ta yo va yema jine. Hipa rakpa. Hipa rakpa.
I feel better, take you higher, vibrant styler, good hammer. I feel better, take you higher, vibrant styler, good hammer. She surrender myself, I the one that love give me the thing way I the give her, not forever. Keep it together, left and right, play me and the player. Don't see me, she just relaxing, just feeling what we doing. I'm feeding full of eating. She said I get the energy, don't kidding, love her legging still watching special digging. She at your one I'm bleeding. Because I get the doctrine, more and more she asks for every day, every night. She know the more, and the right cause and the stand on every minute, every hour. She asks for more and more she asks for every day, every night. She know the more, and the right cause and the stand on every minute, every hour. She asks for more.
She always they do me lokolegi. Anytime when they come do the jiggy jiggy, she they do me lokolegi. Anytime why you screaming, ah yeah.
Johnson Park. The problem is that how I say, who can come say, have one on who say. Huh? Who Kasa? Huh? Kasa? Kasa have one on who is Adio. Huh? Officer. So, why are you so bad? Huh? What is that? For now, where's I? Huh? Omo, hey. Omo, I don't quite know. Maybe the show said, "Quite how huh? I have a sound. Hey, officer, be in a room. Who is sending it? What's that? You tell them you didn't take as well as that. Oh my God, where the fool? Huh? Where the fool?
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The name still remains Yao Audidon Prayer. You can call me YAD. We are back after the commercial break. This is Super Poti Azonto Competition 2012. Right about now, I want all the contestants here on stage. All the contestants, please, on stage. All the contestants. Step forward. Brody. Now, Jina. Wow. Now, to the judges. I started from Judge A. Bernard Edisipuku, aka Komsu.
Contestants, no matter in fact, the way mobile stage, every teach you, no, some of us and much as said, at the end of the year, and I'm over competing. For costumes, so now, me best two contestants. Now my fellow judges, so the other three now we will qualify for semi-finals. And me best two first on my list, contestant number 10. Creative. I'm going to tell you come on. But we should my first round here. Contestant number 6. Nasano and the wheels is I come here to follow judge. Now also
Onsema a contestant. Good. Because I think it's easy to be in a stage so asasa no. But almost an idea me share a costume creativity because asade obetimi asa zone to but say we be kakra account and I'm share a friend say presentation send your audience no enjoy their omuye no. And to me first person I'm picking a contestant number 2. And our second contestant in here, number 3. Thank you.
Semi-final. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. MC.
Well, thank you very much. These are the 5 competition. I'm going to call second round. And you look at commercial break. You can have a bit of this here. Come on, Sam. Welcome back after the commercial break. The name still remains Yao. How do you play? You can call me YAD. An Indian will say Meranam YAD. My name is YAD. This is the final round of the competition of the Poji Azam Togo competition 2012. Now, the judges have decided that this is the final round of the competition. So, competitors over there, please work hard so that you could win this competition. We're going to pick 3 out of the 5. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready, shall we come on stage? Contestant number 2. needy. don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Slim Papa. He's a musician, an actor, and of course, a dancer. Give it up for Simbasa one more time. The name still remains YAD. Now, Audi Dr. of Angel, 96.1 FM. This is a man who speaks about 17 languages at a stretch. Shukriya, Mubarako, Bemma, Obrigado. Now, ladies and gentlemen, shall we welcome on stage all the 5 contestants? Contestant number 1, 2, 3, 6, and 10. Shall we welcome on stage? Who was about Isham? Number 1, 2, 3, 6, and 10. Who was about Isham? Contestant number 1, 2, 3, and 6. Wow. Oh, meeting somebody. Wow. And we also say declare winner of the competition. Who is going to be the winner of the competition? Is it contestant number 2? Is it Now, third position, contestant number 6. Wow. Are you ready for contestant number? Well, for the second position, contestant number 1. Let me tell you that this is one of the best Azoto competition in this country ever organized by this production house. It's Poji Production Azoto Competition 2012, and my name is YAD. Ladies and gentlemen, help me call upon the stage or help me introduce the winner of the competition. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the competition is number 10.
Anytime would they come do the jiggy jiggy, they do me locally. Anytime why you screaming, ah yeah, why you screaming,
Look like you wanna make me sad. I just wanna make you feel fine. Look like you wanna make me sad. I just wanna make you feel fine.